Suppose $5,500 is put in an investment that pays an average yearly return of 7%. It turns out the exponential function a of t equals 5,500 times 1.07 to the t power gives the amount of money that the investment is worth after t years. So we're going to use this formula that comes from the compound interest formula, which you'll study in, say, maybe college algebra if you take that class. Part A, how much money is the investment worth after 5 years? 5 years. Oh, that's a t value. So we're going to plug it in for t. Okay. So A of 5. $5,500 times 1.07 to the 5 power. Okay, here's the calculator. Let's type it in. 5,500 times 1.07. This is the exponent button to the 5 power. And it looks like there's about $7,714 and about 3 cents in the account after 5 years. So let's see, 7,714, 3 cents. Oh, make sure you put the money symbol. So you've made a nice tidy little profit after 5 years. Part B, how long will it take to double the initial investment of $5,500? Okay, so we've got this formula, A of t equals 5,500 times 1.07 to the t power. The idea is, okay, we invested, or somebody invested anyway, $5,500 initially. How long will it take for that amount to double? Oh, so that's an amount value. That's an A of t value versus a t value. It's an output versus an input. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the formula 5,500 times 1.07 to the t power. We're going to set that equal to that amount. I'm going to put that on the right side though. So, so what is this amount doubled? Well, if you double 5,500, that'll be 11,000. And then you've got an exponential equation that you know how to solve. Remember, the first step is to isolate the exponential function, which means you divide both sides by 5,500 because the 5,500 is attached by multiplication. And to reverse it, then you divide both sides by 5,500. Balance principle, reversibility, and balance principle once again. And so you get 1.07 to the t power is equal to, well, 11,000 divided by 5,500 is 2. And then to solve this little equation, you know that you can take the log of both sides. So let me do it this way. If I rewrite it, leave a little space here. Let's take just log base 10 on both sides, log, both sides. And then the idea is that the power rule tells us to bring the t down in front as a factor in front of the log. So we get t log of 1.07 equals log of 2. And then let me go up here. Look, t is connected to the log of 1.07 by multiplication. To disconnect it, we divide both sides by log of 1.07. So let's do that. Let's divide both sides by log of 1.07, log of 1.07. And then if we go up here, that means that t is equal to, these guys cross out, log of 2 divided by log of 1.07. I don't really know what that looks like as a decimal number. I'm not sure what that is, and I need to be able to have a decimal number I can wrap my mind around. So let's bring out the calculator, clear out what was there. Let's go log of 2, close that parenthesis right there, and then divide by log of 1.07. And it takes about 10.2 years if we round to one place past the decimal. So t is approximately 10.2 years. 10.2 years and you double your money. That's the magic of compound interest.